I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Facebook profile has been suspended, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Visit the Help Center. Go to the Facebook Help Center by typing Facebook Help Center in your browser. This is where you can find information on account recovery. Step 2. Locate the recovery form. Before starting recovery, use the srec.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Fill out the form. Complete the recovery form with your account details, including your name and email address. Be sure to provide as much information as possible to verify your identity. Step 4. Submit identification. If prompted, upload a valid form of identification like a driver's license or passport. This step is crucial as it helps Facebook confirm your identity. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, wait for Facebook to review your case. This can take several days, so be patient. Check your email regularly for updates. Sometimes, Facebook may ask for additional information, so keep an eye on your inbox. Good luck with your recovery. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.